This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Joe.terrell. This is an awesome opportunity to own acreage in James City County. The majority of this 13.77-acre parcel is open and has recently been seeded to produce beautiful pastureland. The land is gently rolling with tons of character. The rear portion of the property is a pine forest that borders on a small creek. There is a newly built, sturdy shed for equipment storage. Located in a quiet, peaceful area with plenty of room to build a single-family home, this property is perfect for raising horses, cattle, or other livestock. Plenty of privacy, but just a few minutes from major thoroughfares for quick commuting. December 10, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe.terrell at 757-220-9500.